Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I was not very clear when I was giving the directions to the vocabulary assignment for today. So, my directions today for vocabulary words said, please choose 4 words and write sentences with them to demonstrate you understand the meaning. And I don't believe I told you guys where the vocabulary words are. But the vocabulary words are the bold words in the reading and are the words at the side of the page with the definition. Okay, let me show you in your reader where you may see those. Right here, bold, the blue bold, and then here's the word vocabulary. So lake is one of the vocabulary words, as well as Rift Valley, resource, transportation route, dock, source, game reserve, and let me see if that's Papyrus. Okay, so those are our vocabulary words. So those are the words you're going to use. Choose 4 words and use them in a sentence to make sense, a sentence that makes sense. Okay, that shows that you understand what the word means. Now, if you cannot figure out a sentence, then you can just put the vocabulary word and write the vocabulary word, and write the definition. That will be fine as well, okay? So if you're not sure how to make a sentence, you can just write the vocabulary word and the definition.